Hi, Gus. Today in this video I'll show you step by step how to draw Dry Goomba from Super Mario. You can also follow along on paper. If the video goes too fast or too slow, just pause or adjust the speed in the settings. Good luck your drawing. That's it. That's how you draw Dry Goomba from Super Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.